So in order to solve for the common difference, if the first term is not given, we are going to use the other formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. That is, t sub n is equal to t sub m plus n minus m times d, where t sub n is the upper extreme, t sub m is the lower extreme, n is the position of the upper extreme, m is the position of the lower extreme, and d is the common difference. So to solve for the common difference, we are going to derive first the formula if it's okay. So that means we are going to transpose first t sub m to the other side. So since this is positive on the right side, it will become negative to the other side. So our equation will become t sub n minus t sub m is equal to the quantity of n minus m times d. After that, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by n minus m, or simply transpose n minus m to the other side. So since the operation between n minus m and d is multiplication, we are going to divide the right side, or left side rather, of the equation by n minus m. So our equation would be now n minus m is equal to n minus n rather minus t sub m all over n minus m is equal to d, or d is equal to t sub n minus t sub m all over n minus m, or the common difference is equal to the upper extreme minus lower extreme divided by the position of the upper extreme minus the position of the lower extreme. Now let us solve for the common difference of this arithmetic sequence. The third term is 4. The 10th term is 18. So we are going to look for the common difference. Now, we need to identify first what is the upper extreme and the lower extreme of our arithmetic sequence. So, t sub 3 here is the lower extreme. That means this is t sub m. T sub 10 is our upper extreme, or t sub n. So that means our n is equal to 10, m is equal to 3. Now using the formula, the derived formula for the common difference, we are going to substitute the values, the given values. So we have here d is equal to t sub n minus t sub m all over n minus m. So t sub n here is 18, t sub m is 4 all over n, which is 10 minus 3. 18 minus 4 is 14, 10 minus 3 is 7, so 14 divided by 7 is 2. So our common difference is the third term is 4 and the 10th term is 18 is 2. Okay, so let us now find the 20th term of the sequence. So since our common difference is 2, we have already computed for this, and then t sub 3 is 4, t sub 10 is 18. So our upper extreme, using again the same formula, that is t sub n is equal to t sub m plus n minus m times d. So our t sub n here is our unknown term. Now, between t sub 3 and t sub 10, which is the lower extreme? So both of them can be the lower extreme. So for example, we are going to use t sub 3 as t sub n. So we have t sub 20 is equal to 4 plus n minus the position of 4, which is 3 times 2. Let us simplify the given equation. So we have t sub 20 is equal to 4 plus n times 2 is 2n. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. So to combine like terms, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to substitute n. By the way, n is equal to 20. So 20 minus 3 is 17 times 2. So we have 4 plus 34. So our t sub 20 is equal to 38. Remember that t sub 20 is equal to 38. Now let us solve t sub 20 using t sub 10. This time our lower extreme is t sub 10. So still we have t sub 20 minus, this is our t sub m, 18 plus 20 minus the position of 18 is 10 times 2. So t sub 20 is equal to 18 plus 10 minus 20 minus 10 rather is 10 times 2. So we have 18 plus 10 times 2 is 20. So 18 plus 20 is 38. So as you can see, we got the same answer, whether we are going to use t sub 3 or t sub 10.